Hello guys, I haven't level crossing in Hampshire part 4 or 5, I don't know. I'll check my videos. I think I'm in part 4. Am I? I don't know. Okay. Flashy, flashy. Yeah, and here comes, wait, that's the Southern and half the same Southern in the station. It'll be coming this way. Not coming in, it's not even in the station yet and I can't even see it. Oh, as in a 377 in the station. Why are we seeing loads of electro stars? Why can't we see more Desiros? To me, I prefer Desiros for some weird reason. I don't know why. Well, there's one thing I love about the Desiros, and that is the fact that I just love the sound they make when they depart. I love that squeaky sound that they make. I do love electric. I like diesels as well quite a lot. I like steam, but I love literally diesel. Is that just that? Okay. Yeah, 377 Southern coming your way. It's rolling. The train's rolling. The train is rolling. You can't see it yet, but I can. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Two, 3 and 4. There it goes, and up they go, I expect. Maybe not. Guys, do you want to see the junction down there? There you go. There's the junction, and down there's the station. So, yeah, I think it's going to be a Desiro because, yeah, the track to switch for the Desiro way. Yeah. Well, I can't really see, but I bet it's going to be a Desiro. Because Southerns and 377s and 450s normally come together. And I think I hear it. Next foot. Oh my god, I have the 450. Yep, here it is. Thought I heard it. 450078 in the Desiro. Yay. Car 450092 to Portsmouth and Southsea, I think that says, and up there you go.